This will be a video that I'll reference back to for a very long time. You clicked on this video because you're interested or you are a student that is struggling financially. And as a student myself studying software engineering, I know it's really hard to make money while studying. It's borderline impossible at this point in 2024. That's why most people literally just accepted that during college time you will be broke and there's nothing you can do about it. So you might as well have most fun, because after college you're never gonna have this time back. And it's fine. It's fine to be broke in college, in university, because you have excuse to be broke. It's socially accepted for you to be broke during that time. I mean, that's literally the only time as an adult you're allowed to be broke, because everybody has been through it and they know what it feels like to be in uni, to be in college and try to make money at the same time. It's almost impossible. So that's why today I'll try to make this video as down to earth as possible, because I will try to be very real with you. There's probably thousands of videos on the internet that's gonna tell you things that you can literally find on ChatGPT. There's thousands of skills that you can make money online. But I will give you 5 that are very general, that you probably hear it all the time. But at the end of these 5 clips, I will tell you how you should pick your skill that you need to study to make money, and active steps that you can take with the skills that you chose. And at the end, I will tell you the skills that I've learned to make money. Without further ado, let's get into it. Skill number 1 is digital marketing. This skill is by far my favorite and a skill that I can relate to. There's incredibly a high demand for this skill, especially in 2024, and I'm assuming it will just keep going up. This is the skill I chose to study, which made me some of the money that I've made off online. The first practical steps that you can take to learn this skill is to go to Coursera and learn the Google e-commerce and digital marketing course and the Meta social media marketing. These are the skills that I personally learned from Coursera. If you don't have money, you can apply for the financial support on Coursera. It will take you about 6 months to finish the course, but personally it took me 3 months because I was really dedicated to finishing the skill and trying to land a client to work with. These will help you learn the basics and the fundamentals of digital marketing, whether you want to go with social media marketing or SEO. After you finish these 2 courses, you have a lot of different variation of roles that you can land, whether it's email marketing, social media management, SEO management, data analysis, and so many more. This is by far the second most profitable skill that I've learned that made me most money. And the last skill will be at the end of the video, so make sure you keep watching. Skill number 2 is web development. Especially if you're a student and you're studying software engineering or computer science, I would really recommend for you to take courses on web development if you haven't already took it in your university, and try to land a client that is willing to offer you projects in exchange for money. Disclaimer: if you don't study anything to do with programming, computer science, software engineering, or computer engineering, then I wouldn't recommend you to take this course, because it takes a lot of time to learn this skill and be really good at. So if you're not studying anything to do with the majors that I mentioned, I do not recommend you take this courses. The first 3 that you can learn is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which is the essential for web development. Skill number 3 is copywriting. A lot of people, since ChatGPT came out, try to avoid this skill because they think AI is going to take over copywriting, but that's far from the truth. If you pay close attention to AI, it's really repetitive, sounds nothing like human, and companies need authentic human voice through text to land clients, to communicate with clients through blogs, advertisement posts, and digital marketing campaigns. I would recommend this skill if you like to write blogs or if you like writing in general. I've seen people make 6 figures with email marketing, writing once or twice a week. So I would really recommend this skill. I would suggest you pick something that you're really good at, something you're passionate about, something that you have strength in, and deliver good work for you to stay with a client and make money while you're studying, because it's really hard for you to find a client because you don't have that time to be spending on looking for clients, which is a lot, especially in today's marketplace. Number 4 and the second last skill for this video is graphic designing. There's a lot of competition for graphic designing, especially nowadays. Everybody thinks it's easy to be be a graphic designer storming in this marketplace, I would suggest take courses on graphic designing and try to focus on one specific niche, whether it's creating YouTube thumbnails or advertisement content. I would really recommend for you to be very specific on your niche and stick to it and learn as much as possible from that skill, because clients nowadays look for someone that's specialized in one thing. So if you want to be a thumbnail designer, focus only on designing thumbnails. Don't try to branch out to hopefully land more clients in the future. That will not work. The fifth and my number one most recommended skill would be video editing. I'm a content creator and I still edit videos for content creators that are bigger than me, so I can invest in this channel. If you're new to video editing, I would suggest for you to start with CapCut. Yes, CapCut. A lot of people just start off with Premiere Pro and invest a lot of money in getting a Premiere Pro and a good laptop and all of that stuff. I cannot emphasize this more. Please start off with CapCut. CapCut is a lot more advanced than it used to be before, and it is available on desktop. If you want to learn video editing skills, I would suggest for you to start with CapCut. Video editing has been by far the most profitable skill that I've learned, but this made me a few thousands of dollars while studying university and pay for my uni. Actually, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in more videos like these, please make sure you leave a like and let me know in the comment section down below. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel. More than 90% of the viewers don't really subscribe, or not really subscribe to the channel. So please, if you're new to the channel, it doesn't take that much time. Just hit the subscribe button. It would really help me a lot. See you guys next time. Bye.